Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In the last video, we learned the basics of WordPress dashboard. In this video, we will see how to install theme in WordPress website. Now, the theme is nothing but the layout of your website. You can change the layout and the appearance of your website by changing the settings of your theme. Now, WordPress does come with the default theme installed. Now, this is very basic theme and the layout, and you will not have a lot of control on this default theme. Now, the good thing is that you can change this theme and install a new one of your own choice. In this video, we will see how to change the basic theme and look for the free themes in WordPress. We will also learn about free Hello Elementor theme. Actually, I really like this Hello Elementor theme because it comes with free Elementor page builder plugin. Now, using this free Elementor page builder plugin, you can customize your website and create your own layout. Okay, and in the next video, I will show you how to install a theme from zip file and import the demo content. Now, sometimes when you buy any premium theme from the theme selling websites such as ThemeForest or Template Monster, you will get theme files in a zip format. Now, you need to upload the zip file and import the demo content. Okay, I'll show you that in the next video. So let's start with this video.
Those who are watching my videos for the first time, check out the playlist on my YouTube channel. You will find free YouTube video courses. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get instant notification whenever I publish new free YouTube video course or new video tutorial.
Alright, so we are on the WordPress dashboard. Okay, we are already logged into the WordPress dashboard and we are going to change the theme of your website. So here you will see an option, appearance, and there you will see themes. You can click on themes. Now you will see the default theme that comes with the WordPress. Right now it shows it is using the 2021 theme, and the website is really looking like this, and it's not that good appearance or the layout of the website. Now we can change the theme. Here you can see two more themes, that is 2019 and 2020. Let's see how does this look like. Okay, click on it and let's activate this one. Okay, now we are using 2019 theme, and let's refresh this page, and this is how the 2019 theme looks like. Now here you can install different plugins, and using these plugins you can customize the layout of the theme, but I really think that this is very basic theme and it does not have that much features. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add a new theme, or we are going to look for some free themes. Okay, so click on add new. Okay, now here you will see the free themes. Okay, you can choose any theme and you can start building your website. Okay, yeah, let's try. Let's look for a theme for movers. Okay, now you will see some themes for movers. Okay, so let's try this one. We are going to install this theme. Okay, now look, this is one of the free theme listed in the WordPress, and maybe if you want to make a lot of changes to this theme, then you may need to buy the pro version of this theme. I'm not sure, I'm just checking it. So let's click on activate. Okay, now it shows new theme is activated, and it says thanks for choosing this theme, it will be our pleasure. Great, click on get started. Okay, so now this is how all the settings are given here. Let's refresh it and check how does this look like. So we have changed the layout of this theme. Okay, so this is how the new layout will look. Okay, now here are the settings, live demo. Now, as I said, you may have to buy the pro version. Okay, and they have given you the live demo. Okay, this is how the demo website will look like. So let's close this one. Okay, let's see. This is the theme options. These are the features of the pro version. Okay, let's see if we can import the demo. Okay, go to customizer, it says. Okay, so from here we can change the settings of the website. Theme settings it shows. Okay, now you will have to make changes manually. It does not have any demo content. So let's close this one. Okay, so this is how you can select the free themes from WordPress itself. Okay, but mostly you will need to buy the pro version if you want to make changes, or if you want to have a demo content from these themes. Okay, let's get back to 2019. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the free theme, that is Hello Elementor. Okay, this is one of the best theme I have ever used. I've always designed websites using this free theme. It is very flexible, and you can change the layout manually. You can make any kind of website using this Elementor, because it comes with the Elementor plugin. I'll show you how does this work. Now click on install and click on activate. Okay, now let's go to the website and let's refresh it. Okay, now this is the very basic layout. Now it says thanks for installing Hello theme, and it requires Elementor plugin. So click on install Elementor. Now it is installing a plugin, a free plugin. It has a lot of features. You can change the layout of your page. You can add all types of features to your website using this plugin. So it's installing the plugin right now. The plugin is installed. Click on activate. Alright, so these are the settings of the plugin. Okay, now let me show you how you can change the settings. I'm going to create one page. Just add home page. Okay, let's make it home, and default template we are going to use the Elementor plugin. So go on Elementor full width and click publish. Alright, now this is the home page. This is how it looks. Now click on edit with Elementor. Now here you will see the sections or the features of this plugin. You can use this plugin to add image, text, button, video, and divider, Google Maps. You see all these settings you can use, all these features you can use. You can use this plugin to create. You see this image box, icon box, carousel, sliders, icon, basic gallery. So all the features of a website are included in this free theme, or you can say free plugin. You see all these testimonials, tabs, toggle, social icons. So you just need to create a section. Let me show you how it will look like. Okay, let's create two sections here. Okay, now this one will be a text. So if you want to add text, you can click on it and drag it here. Okay, so this is how the text will appear here. Now if you want social icons, you can look for the social icon here. Okay, this is the social icon. Drag it here, put it here, and update this one. Now let's see, refresh it. You will see the text is here, the social icon is here. So using this plugin, you can really modify your website, and you can change the layout of your website manually, and you can really make it look like any paid theme or any premium theme. Alright, so this is all about setting up the theme of your website. In the next video, I'll show you how to install a premium theme from the zip file. Okay, so see you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.